Have you ever wondered how to turn your average income into $1 million? It's not as far-fetched as it may seem. All it takes is a little financial savvy, a pinch of patience, and the magic of compound interest. The key lies in smart investing, particularly in the tech sector. With the right tech ETFs or stocks, you can propel your portfolio to new heights. So let's dive into the world of tech investing and see how you can become a millionaire. To start with, understanding what tech ETFs and stocks are is the first step towards your million-dollar journey. So, let's break this down. Tech ETFs, or technology exchange-traded funds, are like baskets filled with diverse tech stocks. They offer a convenient way to invest in a wide range of technology companies at once, from industry giants to emerging startups. Think of it as going to a buffet where you can sample a bit of everything instead of ordering a single dish. On the other hand, tech stocks represent individual technology companies. When you buy a tech stock, you're essentially purchasing a small piece of that company. It's like picking one specific dish to enjoy from the buffet. Both tech ETFs and stocks have their advantages. ETFs offer diversification, which can help mitigate risk. If one company in the ETF performs poorly, it may be offset by others that are doing well. Tech stocks, while potentially riskier, can provide substantial returns if the company you've invested in thrives. The allure of the tech sector lies in its rapid growth and innovation. With new advancements constantly on the horizon, there's potential for significant returns on your investment. Now that we have a basic understanding of tech ETFs and stocks, the question is, how do we invest in them? Investing in tech ETFs or stocks is not as complicated as it might seem. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First, you need to set up a brokerage account. This is like your bank account, but for buying and selling stocks or ETFs. Nowadays, many online platforms offer this service with minimal fees. Next, it's time for some research. Don't just jump on the bandwagon and invest in the most popular stocks. Instead, take time to understand the company's business model, its financial health, and future growth prospects. There are plenty of resources available online to help with this. Now let's talk about diversification. It's a fancy term that simply means don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across a variety of tech stocks or ETFs, you reduce the risk of losing money if one of them underperforms. Once you've chosen a diversified mix of tech stocks or ETFs, it's time to buy. This process varies slightly depending on the platform, but essentially you'll select the number of shares you want and click buy. And there you have it. You've set up a brokerage account, done your research, understood the importance of diversification, and finally bought your tech stocks or ETFs. And just like that, you've taken your first step towards becoming a millionaire. But what's next? Now that you have your investments, it's time to see how they can snowball into $1 million. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. At first it's small and seemingly insignificant, but as it continues to roll, it picks up more snow, growing larger and gaining momentum. This is the power of consistent investing, coupled with reinvesting dividends and the magic of compounding. Let's say you're an average person making an average income. You decide to set aside a fixed amount each month, say $200, to invest in a tech ETF or stocks. You also make the smart decision to reinvest your dividends, choosing to let them work for you rather than pocketing them. Over time, the power of compounding kicks in. Albert Einstein once referred to compound interest as the eighth wonder of the world, and for a good reason. As your investment grows, the dividends you receive grow too, and when reinvested, they contribute to an even larger investment base. This cycle continues and your investment snowball grows larger and faster. Of course, the market will have its ups and downs, but remember, investing is a long-term game. Over a period of 20, 30 years or more, the general trend of the market has historically been upwards. So, as you can see, with patience, consistency, and the right investments, turning your average income into $1 million is not a dream, but a realistic goal. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give us a like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, happy investing.